This is Man Against Nature Part 6. I'm still far away from everywhere. In the wildness of this beautiful nature, you cannot see anyone. You cannot hear anyone. And I'm turning around here, and I'm trying to walk. I have to jump. And here, in the wildness, here suddenly you see these beautiful people in my tent. So, how are you feeling in the tent, Aslak and Thomas? In this,
Wild.
it's wild.
It's pretty wild.
It's pretty wild.
It's extremely wild.
Far away from home, miles away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Many
Let's see
centimeters.
this tent hanging here. Hanging here, I just say this is the way to survive. Far away in the nature. Yes. I'll be back. You see me in a while.